चंदा में तुम ही तो भरे हो चांदनी, सूरज में उजाला तुम ही से, ये गगन है मगन, तुम ही तो दिए हो इसे तारे, भगवन ये जीवन तुम ही न संवारोगे तो क्या कोई संवारे, ओ पालनहारे निर्गुण और न्यारे, तुमरे बिना हमारा कौन नाही, तुमरे बिना हमारा कौन नाही, हमरी उलझन सुलझाओ भगवन, तुमरे बिना हमारा कौन नाही, तुमरे बिना हमारा कौन नाही, तुम ही हमका हो संभाले, तुम ही हमरे रखवाले, तुमरे बिना हमारा कौन नाही, तुमरे बिना हमारा कौन नाही।
Eternal God, creator of all, we adore and praise you. Give us your wisdom that we may study well, obey our teachers and parents, and be honest in our behavior. Keep us in your loving care and help us to love and serve our brothers and sisters. Teach us to be good always and do good to others and become faithful citizens of our motherland.
Respected parents and my dear loving children, happy morning and wish you a wonderful day. Today I would like to add a small story and anecdote. Once there was a couple of frogs. These frogs came out from its hole at night and they went in search of some food, so they could get some nice smell. You know that these creatures have much more powerful smelling capacity than we have. Like dogs, 7,000 times more smelling capacity dogs have. Like these frogs also might be having, we do not know. However it be, this couple sensed there is something in a nearby house. So they slowly crept into the kitchen. As they entered the kitchen, they started sensing and smelling. Then they found there was a vessel. So they went near the vessel, and then they found that in the vessel there is something, a white substance like milk or dahi. So the Deccan was little opened, the cover. So the one jumped in, the Deccan went off, bloom, the frog went into the Barthan. And the second one also jumped in. It was a curd pot, dahi ka madka tha. Now both of them ate and drank a lot of dahi, मलाई का साथ पूरा पेट भरा है. लेकिन अभी वापस आने वक्त आया तब it was trying to jump out, but it was very difficult to come out. How to come out? So both of them looking at each other so sadly with पेट भरेला dahi, sad and losing the hope that we will get drowned and die. And one said the other one, dear, now no hope, I am not able to try, I will die only. And he did not try much. He gave up impatiently and drowned and died. But the other one, the female frog, naturally females are more patient, more tolerant, more sustaining in any species including human beings. So that female frog kept on trying, jumping up and coming down, jumping up and coming down, aiming to come out or to the brim of the pot. And this process continued for a little while. It will float on the dahi and then again it will try. And after a while, after quite some time, what happened? Something hard floated on the dahi. So the frog could feel that he could stand and get the support of that and get strength to jump, make a heavier leap, jump out. The reason was that the malai, the butter was formed on the surface of the dahi because of this pressure of bloom, 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 jumping up and coming down. So the malai, when butter was formed, it was become little harder than the liquid milk naturally. So the frog, the female frog, came upon that butter with that harder surface, taking all energy, made a greater leap, and it could catch onto the brim of the pot and came out, escaped, and got free into life. My dear children and respected parents, this is what exactly happens. The life is not always a rose road or rosebud experience. We will have difficult situations, troubles, turbulence, trauma. But in all situations, let us not lose hope and let us not lose the head. Let us keep the hope, use the head, therefore we will succeed. We shall be able to overcome any troubles and problems. Now we are faced with pandemics and we are all struggling to overcome. But let's not lose the hope. And we have someone called God to trust. And don't you believe that God can save us? Surely yes. Therefore, let us keep our trust, keep praying, keep our hope, and live life with all the measures, possible ways that we are able to protect ourselves, keeping social distance, wearing mask, eating only homemade food, warm food, and not traveling so far, not getting into crowds, and keep ourselves little away from all tours and travels and outstation enjoyments in the crowds and the hotels and the resorts. And this time also will pass by grace of God with our prayers and serious protective measures that we would adopt. Surely मुझे ये विश्वास है, we shall overcome. हमारा विश्वास हमारा आश्वास है. Our belief is our relief in life. Thank you. God bless you.